If you are looking for the best food storage bags to keep your meals fresh, organized, and convenient, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best food storage bags available today. These bags are selected based on durability, seal quality, material safety, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ideatec Food Storage Containers, BPA-free PIVA Reusable Gallon-Free Ezer Bags, Reusable Quart-Size Sandwich Bag, Leak-Proof Baggies for Travel, Lunch, Healthy Food, 8-Gallon 6-Quart 6 Snack, Gray. The Ideatec Reusable Food Storage Bag Set is designed to provide an eco-friendly and practical alternative to disposable plastic bags. This set includes multiple sizes, with gallon, quart, and snack bags, allowing users to store a wide range of foods including fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, leftovers, and snacks. The variety of sizes supports daily meal prep, travel use, and organized food storage. These bags are made from BPA-free PIVA material, which is safe for storing food and helps reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. The material is flexible yet durable, allowing the bags to be reused repeatedly without tearing or losing shape. The leak-proof seal helps prevent spills, making them suitable for liquids such as soups, sauces, and marinades. The freezer-safe design allows users to store meats, vegetables, and prepped meals without worrying about freezer burn. The bags maintain flexibility even in cold temperatures, making it easy to open and reseal them when needed. This feature is particularly useful for bulk food storage and meal planning. These reusable bags are also convenient for travel and lunch packing. Their lightweight design makes them easy to carry in backpacks, lunchboxes, or travel bags. The transparent design allows quick identification of contents, saving time during busy mornings or meal prep sessions. Number 2. SPLF 6-Pack Reusable Gallon Freezer Bags Dishwasher Safe, BPA-free Reusable Food Storage Bags, Extra Thick Leak-Proof Silicone-Free 1-Gallon Bags for Marinate Meat, Cereal, Sandwich, Snack, Travel Item. The SPLF reusable gallon freezer bags are designed for users who need durable, large-capacity food storage. These bags are made from BPA-free materials and are dishwasher-safe, offering convenience and safety for repeated use. The extra-thick construction enhances durability and helps prevent punctures and leaks. Each bag provides 1-gallon capacity, making them ideal for storing marinated meats, bulk ingredients, cereals, fruits, and vegetables. The leak-proof seal ensures liquids stay contained, making these bags suitable for soups, sauces, and marinades without mess. The freezer-safe design allows users to store food long-term while preserving freshness. These bags resist freezer burn and maintain flexibility in low temperatures. This makes them suitable for batch cooking and meal prep routines. Dishwasher-safe construction allows easy cleaning. Users can place the bags on the top rack of the dishwasher, saving time and effort compared to hand washing. The material resists odor retention and staining when properly cleaned. The sturdy closure system ensures an airtight seal, which helps extend the shelf life of stored food. These bags are also suitable for travel storage, holding toiletries, snacks, or small items securely during trips. Number 3. Larine 10-Pack Dishwasher Safe Reusable Bags, Leak-Proof Reusable Freezer Bags, BPA-free Food Storage Bags for Marinate Food Travel, 3-Gallon 4-Sandwich 3 Snack. The Larine Reusable Food Storage Bag Set includes multiple sizes designed to support versatile food storage needs. With gallon, sandwich, and snack sizes included, this set accommodates a wide range of uses, from storing bulk food to packing individual meals and snacks. These bags are made from BPA-free materials and are designed to be leak-proof. The secure sealing mechanism helps prevent spills, making them suitable for liquids and semi-liquid foods. This makes them useful for marinating food, storing sauces, or packing lunches. The freezer-safe design allows food to be stored without compromising freshness. These bags help reduce freezer burn and maintain food quality over time. They remain flexible even in cold temperatures, allowing easy access to stored items. Dishwasher-safe construction makes cleaning easy and convenient. Users can place the bags in the dishwasher, helping maintain hygiene and reduce cleaning time. The material resists odors and staining with proper care. These bags are also suitable for travel use, storing toiletries, cosmetics, or small accessories. The transparent design allows quick identification of contents, improving organization. Number 4. 100% silicone bags. Reusable storage freezer bags. 6 reusable silicone bags for food storage with 2 of each, 1/2 gal, large and medium, and complementary cotton mesh bags. This reusable silicone food storage bag set is designed to offer durability and flexibility for everyday kitchen use. The set includes multiple bag sizes, allowing users to store different types of food such as fruits, vegetables, leftovers, and snacks. The inclusion of cotton mesh bags adds convenience for storage and organization. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, these bags are BPA-free and safe for storing hot or cold foods. The silicone material is flexible, durable, and resistant to tearing. It maintains shape even after repeated use. These bags are freezer-safe and can be used to store food long-term. They help preserve freshness and prevent freezer burn. The leak-proof design ensures liquids stay contained, making them suitable for soups and sauces. Silicone construction allows these bags to be dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleaning. They are also suitable for microwave reheating when used according to manufacturer guidelines. The wide opening design allows easy filling and cleaning. These bags are ideal for meal prep, lunch packing, and bulk food storage. Their reusable nature supports eco-friendly practices by reducing single-use plastic waste. This silicone storage bag set offers a durable, versatile solution for food storage with added accessories for organization and convenience. Number 5. Stasher Premium Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags, 4-pack, clear, multi-use food storage bags, lunch bag, travel containers, BPA-free, leak-free, dishwasher-safe, eco-friendly. The Stasher Premium Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags are designed for versatility, durability, and everyday convenience. Made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, these bags provide a safe and eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic bags. The leak-free seal ensures secure storage for liquids and solid foods. These bags are suitable for storing leftovers, snacks, lunches, and travel items. The transparent design allows easy identification of contents. These bags are dishwasher-safe, making cleaning simple and efficient. They are also freezer-safe and can be used to store food long-term without affecting quality. Silicone construction helps maintain flexibility in both hot and cold environments. The multi-use design allows these bags to be used beyond food storage. They can store toiletries, electronics accessories, or travel items securely. The durable seal prevents leaks during transport. These bags are microwave-safe for reheating food when used properly. The sturdy construction resists tearing and wear, supporting long-term reuse. The Stasher Reusable Food Storage Bag Set is ideal for users seeking premium quality, sustainability, and versatility. Their durable silicone design and multi-purpose functionality make them suitable for home use, travel, and organized food storage. That's our list of the top 5 best food storage bags. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your storage needs and lifestyle. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.